Dave Allen here from Allen's e-bikes, and today talking about servicing. We service all types of bikes here, not just e-bikes but also traditional pedal bikes, tandems, tricycles, you name it. If it's got wheels, even e-scooters, we even had a Segway in. So if you've got anything on wheels, then we can try and have a look at it for you. We have a number of service packages to choose from, and even if you've bought an internet bike, why did you do that? But if you did, and it's not quite what you were expecting, bring it into us and we can have a look at that as well. So Allen's e-bikes for servicing packages, all of the options are on our website. We'll see you soon.